Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to get rid of the capture button on Roblox so it stops blocking your screen while you play. Now let's get started. Step 1, open any game in Roblox and make sure you are fully inside the gameplay screen. This is important because the settings we need are only available while you're in a game. Once your game loads, stay on the main playing interface. Step 2, look at the top of your screen and tap on the Hamburger menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. This icon opens the in-game menu where different settings and features are located. It helps you control various gameplay options. Step 3, after the menu opens, find the option called Captures. This feature allows players to take screenshots and record videos while playing. It is responsible for showing the capture button on your screen. Step 4, if the captures option is turned on, simply toggle it off. Turning this setting off will disable the screenshot and recording shortcut. As a result, the capture button will be removed from your game screen. Step 5, close the menu and return back to your game to check the screen. Look around the interface carefully to confirm that the capture button is no longer visible. This ensures the setting has been applied successfully. Step 6, if you still see the capture button, restart the game completely. Sometimes the game needs a quick refresh for new settings to take effect. After reopening the game, the button should be gone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.